Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. Today I'm standing in front of one of our beautiful Augusta models, putting the finishing touches on it, getting it ready for its new homeowner. Come on in, let's take a look at what these folks did to this Augusta model. They closed the flex room in here. I believe they're gonna use this for their office. They opted to do the full clear glass. I think that just makes this whole space feel so much more open. As you come in the Augusta, they didn't make a whole lot of changes in this area here. Nice size for you. You come in, you have your half bath here for your guests and a nice size coat closet. One of the top selling features of the Augusta Mata is and always has been this space here. When you first walk in, everything is just wide open. You have a large living room, an eating area, and it's open to the kitchen. These particular folks decided to upgrade and go with the stone fireplace and the custom mantle. So in the kitchen, they opted to bring us a couple of their light fixtures. They didn't really like our standard ones, wanted to put their own personal touch on it. They did a really nice finished edge on their quartz. Man, I really like the way that came out. They upgraded and did some blue islands. They did the quartz with some blue in it, some blue veins. Fantastic. They added the tile backsplash. This may be the first time that we've ever used this particular tile backsplash. Let us know in the comments what you think. I like it, but it has been really a mixed bag on how people feel about it. I think it's beautiful. They opted to do the custom vent hood. I think it really looks good. That color with the tile backsplash and the cabinets and the quartz. Fantastic kitchen. When people come and see this house, they absolutely are blown away by the size of this room. It's been a topic for debate for a long time. Do you really need a primary bedroom this large? There's enough space in here. You can put a bed, got room for your dresser and TV, got a little sitting room here that you could set up as a little reading nook or something. Good sized primary closet. In the primary bathroom, these folks did a 5-foot shower, the glass doors. That was an upgrade. It's normally a 4-foot shower here. They deleted their soaker tub. They've got some plans for the space. I'm not sure what that is. They've got a vision. And you know, with AB Homes, that's what it's all about, man. We build your dreams into your new home so we can make it the way you want it and help you bring your vision to life. So the Augusta also has 3 nice sized bedrooms for guests or children and a very nice sized hall bath. So if you would like to learn more about AB Homes, the Augusta model, or any of our other models, we would love the opportunity to talk to you and see how we can build your dreams into your new home. Feel free to reach out on my cell phone, 757-435-9900. Find us on the web at abhomesva.com. And always, please, if you like this content, you want to see more like it, hit the like button and subscribe. You'll be notified of all the latest and greatest AB Homes info. Till the next time, we'll see you later.